I'm now going to cover the nullable Boolean data type. This is a new pandas only data type. It does not exist in NumPy. The way you reference it is with the full name Boolean, not just bool. It's similar to the nullable integer and nullable float types of before. So here we try to construct a series using true, false, and nan in here and force it to be a Boolean. This is actually a pretty unexpected result in that this actually does work even though nan is not it's not a Boolean. You cannot have a missing value in a bool series. But so what happens is it converts it to true. You might think, why does it convert it to true? Well, any non-zero value is considered true, so nan is not zero and therefore true. Now, if you want to use the new nullable Boolean and actually have this as a missing value, then you can do pd.na here and use the new Boolean type. So you have to actually spell it out. So it's a separate type. I know this is very probably bizarre to see this, but this is the new, this is actually a completely different data type, and it does allow for missing values, just like the nullable integer allows for missing values. All right, so that is the nullable Boolean data type.